Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today's recipe is going to be a Prashad. We are going to make Modaks for Ganpati Bappa. Now these days we get Modaks in many varieties, like we have chocolate Modaks, steamed Modaks, fried Modaks, motichur Modaks, etc. So but today's recipe is a very easy one. We are going to make Modaks with milk powder, some dry fruits and desiccated coconut. So shall we proceed to make Modaks? Here are the ingredients. We have taken 1 cup of full cream milk powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, quarter cup of coarsely crushed cashew nuts, quarter cup of almonds, quarter cup of pistachios, quarter cup of finely desiccated coconut, and we have little milk to soak the saffron, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. And here we have silver work. If you want, you can garnish the modaks with this. It's optional. Take a heavy bottomed pan. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, in which we are going to add 1 1/4 cups of water. Now give it a stir and we are going to let it boil. Place the lid so that it boils faster. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring it until the sugar is dissolved. Once this is done, we can add the cardamom powder. Cover the lid again and let it boil a bit. Now add the saffron, which is soaked in warm milk. And again we are going to boil it for a minute or so until the flavors of the cardamom and saffron are infused into the syrup. Once the syrup is reduced to 1 cup, add the milk powder. Stir continuously. Stir it well with a spatula, breaking all the lumps. You can see now all the lumps are broken and the mixture is smooth. Now we can start adding the other ingredients: crushed cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios, and the desiccated coconut. Stir them. Now this mixture has to be cooked uncovered. Continuously keep stirring it. Reduce the gas flame to medium. Continue to stir. In between, we are going to add the little bit of ghee. About 1 to 1 1/2 tablespoon of ghee goes into this, dividing it 2 to 3 times. Continue to stir uncovered, as we don't want any liquid from the lid to go into the mixture. It needs continuous attention and do not leave it at any stage. Here I am adding the ghee again. You can see the mixture is getting thicker now. Keep adjusting the flame. Maintain it between medium and low, taking care that the mixture does not get burnt. The whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see the mixture has become quite thick. It's nearly getting done. Switch off the gas now and continue to stir because the pan is still warm. Now we can transfer this into a larger dish for cooling. Spread it with the spatula so that it gets cooled faster. Now take a mold for modaks, which is easier. Grease it with the ghee and put some mixture into it, pressing it with your fingers. Fill it enough and close the mold. Remove the excess from the sides, and here the modak is done. If you don't have a mold, take a small amount of mixture, give it a conical shape, pressing it with your fingers. But these molds are easily available and they make the work a lot more easier. Here the modaks are all ready. If you wish, you can keep them plain or garnish them with silver work, because some people avoid using this. So here we have the delicious modaks ready for Ganpati Bappa. The recipe wasn't so difficult, isn't it? So friends, do give it a try. Add any dry fruits that are available at home and you can make these delicious modaks for Prashad. Here we go. All of you have a great celebration on Ganesh Chaturthi with your family and friends. Make lot of prashads, make modaks, which are Ganpati Bappa's favorite. May Lord Ganesha bless you all with good health and happiness. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you in advance. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pangalamurti Moria. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.